a pharma company and its cough syrup that has led to a situation in Gambia in Africa. Now, a detailed government response on cough syrup controversy coming in after WHO, which is World Health Organization, issued medical alert against cough syrups by an Indian manufacturer. We are getting a detailed government response on the investigation, in which, through a press note, the government has said that the state drug controller had given licenses to the...
इस पर लोगों ने काम किया, लेकिन उन सब के पक्ष में काम करने के लिए किसी ने काम नहीं किया। तो मैं वापस, चाहे वो मुर्गी देंगे और फ्री अपने घर से लेके आ रहे हैं क्या? अपना घर बनाने में जो कहते थे कि हम सरकारी गाड़ी नहीं लेंगे, वो सरकारी गाड़ी क्या पूरा तामझाम लेके घूमते हैं।
All right, I believe that was Meenakshi Lekhi, but speaking on some other subject, I'll go to Ankit in our Mumbai newsroom. Ankit, you have accessed that detailed press release from the government on the cough syrup controversy after the WHO raised that alert. Please share details with us. What does the government position say on this issue?
Abhishek, if I can come to the important part of the government's release, essentially what it says is that the medicines in question are not available and allowed for sale in India itself. That is the crux of what it says. It says, and I quote, "It is a usual practice that the importing country tests these imported products on quality parameters and satisfies itself as to the quality of the products before the importing country decides to release such products for usage in the country." That is one. Then it says, as per the tentative results received by the WHO, out of 23 samples of the products under reference which were tested, 4 samples have been found to contain diethylene glycol or ethylene glycol. So that is a result of the test that it says. The state drug controller, it says, had given licenses to the said company only for export of these 4 drugs and are not licensed for manufacture and sale in India. The samples for all the 4 drugs in question have been taken and sent for testing to the regional drug testing lab in Chandigarh, the result of which will guide further course of action. So essentially, Abhishek, what it says is 3 things. One is that the drug in question is not allowed for sale in India itself. Second is, it says that the importing country in this case is supposed to test the drugs that it imports. And the third is that it has received samples of these drugs which have been sent to the lab for testing, and it will take further action depending on what these test results return. So that is the full press release essentially. We are putting it up on Republic World at this moment, Abhishek. This is even as I think the latest input says that Gambia is going door to door to find out any of the sales of these drugs if they are at people's homes, to make sure that they are no longer used, these 4 cough syrups.
All right, thank you so much, Ankit. More likely a case of spurious batch of this particular syrup, of course, not licensed to be used in India. Moving on, a short break.